Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to choose target market on Printify. For example, let's say you want to sell your print-on-demand products in the United Kingdom or Canada. I'll be showing you how to set it up that you'll be able to offer faster delivery and you'll be able to sell your print-on-demand products solely to persons in that specific country. The first thing you want to do after you have created your Printify account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Catalog. After selecting Catalog, from here you can select whichever option you would like to choose from, whether it is men's clothing, women's clothing, any one of these options. Let's say for example we were to select men's clothing t-shirt. After you have done that, you're going to see at the top of the page target market. So because it is saying target market USA, if we were to select any one of these options, the print providers would be in the United States. So you can see right there. Now, if you were to change your target market location, so let's say we were to tap right where you see USA and change it to Canada. After you have changed it to Canada, if you were to scroll down, the print providers will now be available in Canada, as you can see here. And you can see the two print providers are better, the print providers that are available in Canada. And you can choose the one that would best suits you depending on the price mark and also how quickly they'll be able to deliver it. So for example, you can see this option would offer 1 to 2 days. This would be 1 to 9 days, and you can see the different options right there. So you can select which one would best suit you. And if we were to scroll back up, tap right where you see Canada, and let's say we want to change that to United Kingdom, you could tap right there. Then if you were to scroll down, you would see the different print providers that are available in the United Kingdom, and you will also see the estimated production time, as you can see right there, and you can also see the shipping costs. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.